Hey guys, welcome to Save a Buck today. Hey, I had some friends call and needed a ground probe to find their septic tank, and well, with everything going on in the world today, you can't get into the stores and stuff, so we're going to make a ground probe for them to use with an old shepherd's hook I have and a concrete stake. So we'll get to it here. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the videos, please do that. It goes a long way. Hang with me. Alright guys, today I've made a ground probe for my friend to use to find them septic tank lid out of nothing but scrap parts. These things cost about 40 to 50 bucks if you go buy one, but if you're a do-it-yourselfer, find you some scrap you got laying around, some small rod and a handle to make it out of, weld it up. Save yourself 40 bucks, 50 bucks, and it works good. This is actually made to penetrate the ground and locate items that are hidden under the ground. Septic tanks, pipes maybe, and all sorts of items that you can't see that you may have to dig around or dig out. So maybe later on I'll make another video of me using it, but as of right now, I'm going to get it over to them and let them give it a try. Thank you. Well, the probe did find the lid.
Yeah. Well, I smell it. I said it like a fucking redneck too.
Keep digging.
You're good?
I say keep digging.
You push your red button. That is a septic tank.
God,
Come on.
Close it.
That stinks.
Pick it up with your hand.
Push it.
Push it this way.
Okay. Push it.
Push it with my foot.
Yep. Got it. Okay, you can stop it. Now hit the top of it.